How to switch between open apps and windows on Mac. As you install more apps and open new browser windows on your Mac, you might find it difficult to switch between all open apps and windows using just the dock. Thankfully, there are better and faster ways to swap between open applications. Switch open apps and windows using keyboard shortcuts. Just like Windows, Mac has a fast and robust app switcher built in. It will be instantly familiar once you start using it. Press the Command+Tab keys and then hold the Command key to bring up the floating app switcher. Here, you'll see all of the apps that you have open. Now, while holding the Command key, press the Tab key to move forward through the list of open apps. One at a time. If you want to move back, left side, in the list, press the tilde, backquote key while holding the Command key. When you find the open app that you want to switch to, simply release the Command and Tab keys. Instantly, the window will be foreground. You can also jump to a particular window of an open app from the app switcher. When you have an app highlighted in the floating switcher, press the up or down arrow key. This will show you all open windows for the given app. Then press the right arrow key to move between the open windows. Highlight the window that you want to switch to and press the return key to switch to it. You can change these keyboard shortcuts at any time by going to System Preferences greater than Keyboard greater than Shortcuts. Here, select the Keyboard option from the left sidebar and then click an action that you want to remap. From there, press the new keyboard shortcut to assign it. Related, the 6 best tools for customizing Mac keyboard shortcuts. Switch open apps and windows using trackpad gestures. MacBook users can also use trackpad gestures to quickly switch between open windows and spaces. First, swipe up with 3 fingers on your trackpad to open Mission Control. Apple. You'll now see all of the open windows for all apps, across all desktops. Move your pointer to an app that you want to switch to and click on it. If you're using multiple spaces, first swipe left or right with 3 fingers to switch to it and then swipe up with 3 fingers to open Mission Control. Switch between open windows of the same app. If you're the kind of person who opens multiple windows of the same app, best use case being a browser or a document app like Microsoft Word, you'll want to quickly switch between them. You can use split view to open 2 windows side by side. But if you're using a MacBook with a small screen, it might not always be feasible. Related, how to quickly manage split view on Mac. In that case, just use the Command+ backquote tilde keyboard shortcut. It will instantly switch to the next window for the foreground app. If you only have 2 windows open, you can also keep using this keyboard combination to constantly alternate between the 2 windows. Unlike the app switcher we mentioned at the beginning of the article, there's no visible UI and it happens instantly. For power users, use Context's window switcher. If you're a Mac Power user who spends the entire day working on your Mac and is frustrated by the limitations of Mac's app switcher, you should look into the Context's app. It's a full replacement for Mac's app switcher and adds many more useful features on top. Context's 3 comes with a free trial with a license costing $9.99. Context's 3 can replace the Command+Tab keyboard shortcut, or you can map it to Option+Tab combination, or any other keyboard shortcut to continue using Mac's default app switcher as well. Context's 3 takes a vertical approach to the window switcher. When you press the keyboard combination, you'll see a vertical list of all the open apps and windows. You can use the Command+Tab backquote tilde shortcut to navigate the open windows, or the arrow keys. The app also comes with an auto-hiding sidebar that lists all open apps and windows from all desktops, but you can disable that from the application settings. Where Contexts really shines is its search feature. After opening the Contexts window switcher, press the S button to switch to the search view. You can create a custom keyboard shortcut for this as well. From there, search for an app or a window, while holding the modifier key. Once highlighted, release the keys to switch to the app or window. What's really cool here is that Contexts assigns a shortcut to each app or window. You'll see it on the left edge of each listing. If you just type that syntax in the search bar and press the return key to open the app or window once, it will now be mapped to it. This way you can just type S in the search bar to quickly open Safari, instead of having to choose between the Slack or Safari app.